In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove integrations in Hubstaff. Hubstaff is an incredible tool that helps us manage time and projects effectively, but sometimes we need to simplify or make changes to our integrations. Whether you're doing some digital housekeeping or troubleshooting an issue, removing integrations can streamline your workspace and help you focus on the tasks that truly matter. Let's jump into the details of how you can do this easily. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Hubstaff dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options that help you customize your experience. Look towards the upper right corner of the interface and you'll see the Settings tab. This will be your starting point. Click on Settings to proceed. The Settings menu is your hub for managing your Hubstaff account, including user roles, billing, and most importantly for today, any integrations you currently have set up. Once you're in Settings, you want to locate the Integrations option. This is usually found within the sidebar or submenu, depending on the version you are using. Clicking Integrations will bring you to a list of all the tools and services that are currently connected to your Hubstaff account. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this list so you can ensure that only the necessary integrations are active, reducing potential distractions or redundancies in your workflow. When you've found the specific integration you no longer need, look for the three dots. This is typically found to the right side of the integration you want to remove. These three dots are your access point to additional options and settings. Clicking them will reveal a small drop-down menu. Have you found it? Great. Now from this menu, you'll want to select the Remove option. This step will soon help you disconnect the integration from your account. After clicking Remove, you might be prompted to confirm your choice. This is a standard precaution because removing an integration is a significant change. If you are sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm the removal. Once you do, the integration will be disconnected from your Hubstaff account, meaning any data or connectivity will be deactivated. This action is seamless, and in most cases, the integration should be gone immediately. Removing unnecessary integrations helps you maintain a lean and efficient digital environment. It can make a remarkable difference by reducing clutter and improving performance. If you ever need those integrations back, they can always be re-added at a later time, allowing you the flexibility to adapt as your needs change over time. Thank you for watching, and we hope this instructional guide assists in enhancing your productivity on Hubstaff. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.